Okay, so here's the actual ruler that you're going to be using, and I want you to take a peek at this and kind of just mentally get used to seeing this like that number line that you partitioned. So if we look, well, they didn't label 0, but there it is. And let's look. There's 1, there's 2, there's 3, there's 4, not sure if you can see that one. 5, does that show up? Okay, so now if we can see this like the number line, do you see that? So we're just partitioning a number line. But when we're measuring length, we may have an object that is, here's my object. Okay, it's this long. I'm measuring a red marker, apparently. So notice what I did with my red marker. I lined it up at the 0. And now I have to see, what ½ inch is it closest to? Well, now I've got to find ½ inches. So where do we think between the 0 and the 1 my half would be? What's about in the middle? Right about there? Okay, so let's go with that. Let's see, right about there will be about the middle of these two lines, and these two lines, and these two lines. Do you notice something? Let me erase that. There is a little line there, and it's actually, if we count the hops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you go 4/8, 4/8 is another way of saying 1/2. So look, there it is right in the middle. We could probably do that each time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that line that's about in the middle, that's 4/8. Now clean that up. So I've got my number line that I'm partitioning, and I'm putting my about in the middle once I see all my 1, 2, 3, 4, and I've got things in the middle. Now I have to see what's the nearest ½ inch. This can be a little bit difficult for kids to realize. When you're measuring to the nearest ½ inch, your answer could be 0. Maybe it's going to be closest here. 0, here's a 1/2. Is it closest to a ½ inch? No. Now let's do another ½ inch jump. 1, is it 1 inch long? No. Another ½ inch. 1½ inches? No. 2? No. 2½ inches? Oh, we're getting close. Say 3 inches. So this red, what's it closer to? Is it closer to the 2 1/2, or is it closer to the 3? Which do you think? I think it's a little bit closer to the 3. So I'd say my red marker is 3 inches long. I looked at ½ inch jumps to see what the nearest ½ inch measurement is. Sometimes kids get confused because they think when you're measuring to the nearest ½ inch, you have to end your answer with 1/2. But no, again, we're looking at the jumps. Remember how important that is? So it's closest to the 3 inch jump. I'm going to do another example for you.